right, back with the ABCs and 1, 2, 3s of our chakras. And let's get into this one, because people hear throat chakra and think speaking, just talking. That's not it. This is your expression center. If this is off, you either stay quiet when you shouldn't, or you talk without actually saying anything real. That's a throat issue. And let's be clear. If your heart is your connection, your throat is how that connection gets expressed. So if your heart is in balance, your voice won't come out clean. First, what it is. Your throat chakra sits at your throat. This is your I speak center. Not thinking, not feeling, it's expression. This is where your body decides, I'm going to say this, I'm going to hold back, this is safe to express, and this isn't. If you're constantly second guessing what you want to say or replay conversations after, that's your first red flag. So what does it do? This is your communication center. But not just talking truth. I just lost my train of thought. But not just talking truthful expression. It controls speaking your truth without fear or performance. Clear communication, not over-explaining, not shutting down. Authenticity, being real versus saying what people want to hear. Listening, not just waiting to respond. Creative expression, voice, writing, teaching, sharing. So when it's blocked, you either stay quiet or you talk in circles and still feel unheard. What it regulates, physical and energetically. Again, not just energy talk. This is connected to throat, vocal cords, thyroid, metabolism and regulation, jaw, mouth, and neck. So when this is off, you might notice tight throat or feeling like something is stuck in your throat. Constant need to clear your throat, jaw tension or clenching, fear of speaking up, over-explaining yourself, saying yes when you really mean no, feeling misunderstood even when you talk. Your body will always show you first. So, what to eat to support the throat system? You don't clear your voice by forcing it. You support the system. Focus on hydration, water, herbal teas, soothing foods, honey, broths, warm liquids. Blue and purple foods, blueberries, grapes, anti-inflammatory foods, garlic, ginger, clean, simple meals, less processed, less irritation. Basically, in human terms, smooth, clear, and supportive. If your system gets inflamed, your expression will feel blocked. So, how do you fix it? Not complicated. 1, say what you mean. Stop softening everything to be accepted. Clear is kind, confusion isn't. 2, stop over-explaining yourself. If it needs 10 sentences just to justify 1 point, you don't trust your own voice yet. 3, practice speaking out loud, not in your head, out loud. Your voice is a muscle. Use it, flex it. 4, tell the truth in real time. Not 3 days later. Delayed truth is still fucking suppression. 5, check your heart first. If your heart is closed or unbalanced, your words won't land right anyway. This isn't about finding your voice. You already have one. This is about using it correctly. Because if you don't speak your truth, you build a life based on things you never actually agreed to. And that will always feel fucking off on a soul level. You don't need to be louder. You just need to be more clear. That's the difference. And if you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the buttons. Show me some love. Leave a comment. Save it for later. Share it with a friend who you think needs this message. On that note, I hope everyone has a great day.